My name is Meera. I was once a very happy woman. My life was small, but it was beautiful. I loved a man named Arjun. He was not rich, but he was kind and honest. He made me laugh. He listened to me. We shared small dreams together. We did not have children. We thought we would wait until life became better. One night, it was raining. Arjun was coming home from work on his bike. The road was wet. It was dark. A truck came from the wrong side. That night, everything ended. After that night, my life stopped. The house had everything, but Arjun was not there. I cried every night. I cried every morning. Slowly, money also finished. I had no job. I had no income. One day, I found my old diary. It was from my college days. In that diary, I had written one dream. I want to become a teacher. I was afraid, but I wanted to try. So I went to a small school. Its name was Sunrise Academy. The principal looked at me and said, "You can start from tomorrow." That day, a small light came into my heart. The children called me Miss Meera. Slowly, I started smiling again. One day, I saw him. His name was Karan. He was a science teacher. He was calm, kind, and simple. We started talking, slowly, gently. He never asked much about my past. One day, he asked me, "Are you married?" I said, "I was. My husband is no more." He stayed silent, with respect. Time passed. My heart started feeling again. One evening, he said, "Meera, I like you." I felt scared, but I remembered Arjun's words. He once said, "If I am not there, you must smile again." I cried, and then I said yes. We did not tell anyone quickly. We stayed connected from the heart. After some months, his mother came to meet me. She held my hand and said, "You are my daughter now." Yesterday, we got married. It was simple. It was quiet. It was full of love. Today, someone asked me, "When is your wedding?" I smiled and said, "We got married yesterday." My name is Meera. I lost one love, but life gave me a second chance. Sometimes a heart breaks to make space for new happiness. If you like this story, please subscribe to this channel for more emotional and real life stories. Comment below and tell us how this story made you feel. Thank you for listening. See you soon with another beautiful story.